whoever, whatever you want, hashtag free value. And here we go. The winner is... What is going on, you guys? Connor here, and in this video we're going to be doing another 5K a day winning product, and there's going to be a giveaway, so make sure you guys stay tuned until the end of the video. So somewhere in this video I'm going to be announcing the winner of last week's giveaway, basically, where I'm giving away the product to you with a winning ad, a thumbnail, ad copy, basically everything you could possibly need to launch a product. So I'll be announcing the winner a little bit later in the video, so make sure you stay tuned until the end as well for that. So for this video we have a brand new product for you guys, and what I want to do is basically give you guys the details on how to enter. So how you can enter is the same way as last time. You can basically subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then also comment hashtag free value in the comments of this video, and make sure you guys do that right now. Last week's video, I believe we had over 250 comments, so let's see here. Yeah, 140 likes, which is amazing. You guys are crushing it. We had 293 comments, so tons of entries, and I'll be selecting the winner in a little bit here. So before we jump into that, basically that's how you enter the competition, and the winner is going to get the winning product. I bought the winning product. They're going to get 100% custom video ad, 3 professional thumbnail variations, professionally written ad copy, copy and paste product description, as well as a 30-minute call with myself to launch the entire product. So it's going to be a lot of stuff that you guys get. This is stuff that people charge for, and I'm giving it to you guys absolutely for free on YouTube, so it's going to be amazing for you guys. So here we are on AliExpress, and I want to show you guys the video that the supplier actually provided for us. It's an amazing video. As you can see here, it demonstrates the product in use. These are great clips that you could even use for a first 3 seconds of your video. It's, you know, it's highly engaging. They're showing the product in use. They're showing the different colors in action. You know, it's got slow-mo shots. It's showing that it's, you know, it's looks like the top is mesh or whatever, so it's safe to use, right? All the blades are enclosed, so it just shows the different benefits of the product. And this is a free video to use. What I do though is I'd make sure you message the supplier and ask him if it is okay to use, because that's something that's important. You don't want to be using this footage if you're not actually allowed to. So I just take a quick, you know, 5-10 minutes, email the supplier, message him through AliExpress, and see if it's okay to use this footage. But basically that right there is the product. And as you can see, what's pretty cool about this product, it only has 1,710 orders, and this is the biggest listing I could find on AliExpress, basically, right? So if I even just type in helicopter here, right? So these are, you know, obviously different helicopters, and then boom, 1,604 orders actually. And I don't really see any more listings of this product, right? You see this one, which is the old school model, but you really don't see any other listings of this product, which is a good sign. That means that this product is what I would consider to be untapped. So if we jump back here, you know, similar product like this was actually trending like crazy last year, and that product was what we just saw right here. It was this product. So this one, where it was basically a handheld little helicopter, and basically all it did was just go up and down, right? So it didn't go side to side like this one can. So this one has more functionality, but all this was, it basically, you just put it on your hand and it would just like float up and down. And you know, it was big for Christmas last year. Kids were using it. It was like a huge gift. And obviously look at the price, right? So you could buy that one for $3. Crazy cheap. Probably sell it for, you know, anywhere from $20 to $30 and make a great profit off it. This product is a little bit more expensive, but it still has great demand, as you can see. And another thing I did want to touch on is the reviews on this are actually very good. 4.6 stars on AliExpress is a good sign. And then if we jump over to Amazon here, this Amazon has 386 customer reviews, which means this is definitely an in-demand product. It either was or it still is, from what I can tell. And if we look at the stars here, 4.3 out of 5 stars. So it has a great rating on Amazon, which is great news. That's exactly what you want to see on Amazon as well as on AliExpress. So the rating's good, the quality's good, it's untapped, and it has a wow factor. You guys, those are all things that make this product amazing. And honestly, I should be testing this. I'm not, though. I'm giving it to you guys. So whoever jumps on this first is definitely going to make some serious money with it, and I could easily see someone hitting 5K a day with this product. So in order to test this, I always emphasize using emotion in your ad copy, in your video, and on your product descriptions in your product page. So these are the list of 27 human emotions. You can just Google these, but make sure you use one of these emotions and really try and figure out the best emotion to use for this product. So 2 emotions that I like to use for this product are basically boredom, I think this product solves boredom for either for kids or just for anyone in general. This product is, it's engaging. Basically, you could also sell this on Excitement, where it's like similar to the product last year. That was just the hover ball, basically the hover ball helicopter. This one is a very exciting product. It's got a wow factor. It can solve people's boredom if they're just, at home, they don't know what to do. And then it's also an exciting product. It's kind of fun to use. You can get a little bit of exercise there, so it could solve the problem of, maybe obesity. I don't know. That might be a little bit of a stretch, but you could always use it as like, get active. The health trend is another good one to use. So there's tons of different angles on that. Just figure out which one works best, but I definitely like the boredom angle. That's a very good angle in my opinion in terms of what emotion to use. So the steps for testing, I did add a couple different steps in here than last time, so make sure you read this. But all it is just search the different terms, whether it's floating helicopter, hover helicopter, on YouTube, Facebook, and Google to source video footage. And then also you can search AliExpress for the supplier provided free video footage. As I was showing you guys before, this video does have one, which is amazing. You're going to combine those clips together, try and have the ad 20 to 40 seconds is generally the range that I like. So use the same emotion in the video, the ad copy, and the product description, like I was saying. And then also create 3 different thumbnails, and you'll put those as your 3 different ads per ad set. And then launch it with my same strategy, right? I'll include a link in the description, again, on my launch strategy, but $7 a day ad set. Single target single interest, tier 1 countries, 1-day click, and go ahead and launch that sucker right at midnight. Yeah, basically analyzing the data on Facebook Ads Manager. So after 24 hours, good sign is 2+ purchases, okay is only 1, and bad is 0. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna announce the giveaway winner from last video. Okay, last video absolutely popped off. 140 people liked this video. It got crazy views, so clearly you guys like this type of video. That's why I'm making another one. And I did want to update you guys on my upload schedule. It's going to be Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Okay, so that's my new upload schedule is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. And if you guys want to know like what times I'm releasing videos, definitely follow me on Instagram. It's just at Connor Chapman, and follow me on Instagram so you guys can get up to date on when I'm going to launch my videos, and also a bunch of like insider tips and stuff that I always share with my followers. And also, if you want to know more about my store, you can follow me on Instagram, and I will be posting updates there too. So there's tons of ways you can get a hold of me there. DM me. I'm always answering DMs, by the way, so I don't know why people don't answer DMs. I think it's a good, unless I had maybe 1,000 DMs, then that's probably when I wouldn't answer DMs. You guys probably don't want to hear me ramble, so I'll just get right into it. I'll just announce the giveaway winner. So we're gonna go like this. We're gonna copy the video URL, and all the comments are down here. So there's 293 comments. If we go to YouTube, random comment picker, we're gonna pop that in there, and we're not gonna filter duplicate users because everyone who basically commented down below is actually an entry. So I think that YouTube eventually will actually limit the amount of comments you can send. I think what they'll do is they'll limit that. So what you need to do is just basically on this next video is just comment whatever you want, hashtag free value. And here we go. The winner is MOUADHD. Okay, so basically this person right here who said save this live please, what I want you to do is I want you to send me messages on Instagram, and we will get this sorted for you. I'll send over the video to you, and then we'll jump on our call. So congratulations to you. And for the upcoming giveaway, make sure you guys follow the instructions on how to enter. You can subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment hashtag free value in the comments of this video, okay? And in addition to that, for people who do not win the giveaway, and if you do get purchases, also make sure you comment on this video saying let me send it, and I'll personally help you scale. So I'm not going to get on a call with you, but what I'll do is you'll DM me through Instagram, and I'm going to help you scale this particular product, okay? So not only am I providing value to the winner of the giveaway, but I'm also going to provide value to those of you who tested this product and show me that you got sales with this product, and I'm going to help you scale it, okay? So definitely a lot of free help and a lot of free value going out there for you guys. It's just because I want to put more value out there, and I want you guys to really understand what it takes to launch a product, because launching a product is something that took me a long time to figure out, and it's something where I want to put more footage, and I am putting more content online about exactly how to test products, exactly how I would test them, and then also helping one lucky person with basically all the resources they need in order to test the product. And this is really to tell you guys that you don't need any product research tools that are paid. I do all my product research primarily just through Facebook, Amazon, AliExpress, YouTube, and just clicking on a bunch of people's Facebook ads and watching certain top dropshipping stores. So in terms of super expensive, product research software. I don't necessarily believe in that. I think it can be useful if you find the right one, but it's definitely not mandatory at all for beginners. You can definitely get by with just finding products like this and using my criteria that I use to select these products, and you can do amazingly well with them, and you can be extremely profitable. So it just comes down to saving money in the beginning, because beginners, you're not going to have the budget to spend, right? Most people do not have thousands of dollars to spend on just all these softwares per month, and you have your Shopify expenses. So it's better if you minimize your expenses, use all the free softwares out there, use the free content that's on YouTube first, and then as you scale, then at that point you're probably going to need some level of mentorship or some level of extra help, because there's a lot of knowledge at a higher level that just isn't on YouTube. So that's kind of what I would recommend for you guys if you're stuck testing products. If you're stuck, you don't know what to do, that's kind of the strategy that I go with. And yeah, keep trying to win the giveaways, right? I'm gonna have these videos. I'm gonna have a video like this every Monday. So every Monday is gonna be a product research video like this, and I'm gonna be giving away a product as well. So that's the product for this video, and congratulations to the winner last video. So get commenting, guys, and as always, keep your mind right. Peace.